You've been tired for so long, but you can't seem to let it go.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yay! Your girl is back with another hair makeup transformation video. In this video, I've got Ali Pearl hair and I'll be transforming my girl. So I did make the wig, so the hair came in bundles. I made the wig and I decided to do a fringe because I haven't done a fringe in a while. I did comb the closure forward, then I applied mousse, then I tied the hair and I put the hair under the dryer. That's why the hair came forward. Okay, so yeah, so the hair is a fringe wig, and for her makeup, even though I want to keep the makeup a little bit subtle, but I know one thing, by the time her brows is on flake, her makeup is gonna look bomb. I did keep the brows looking flaky. So I did kind of a black smoky eyes. I just decided to kind of make it pop a little bit with the glitter. Yes girls, I just wanted the look to be a little bit like glam. So yes, so for the lip, I kept the lip nudish. I did highlight her face with inglot highlighter is beige. The shadow, I did use a gel liner first, blend the gel liner out, and apply MAC black tracks, a MAC black shadow on top of the gel liner, and then I blend it again. So it's very simple. So yeah, you all, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and enjoy the video. Bye bye.
You've been down, you've been low. When it comes and the next one goes. You've been tired for so long, but you can't seem to let it go. And if you've lost your way, and you would ever find another, follow the rising sun onto the one you love. Walk to the rhythm, I know you could feel it. Let it take you home. Memories of things you were just so bad. You've been down, you've been low. When it comes and that action goes. You've been tired for so long, but you can't seem to let it go. And if you've lost your way, and you would ever find another, follow the rising sun onto the one you love. Walk to the rhythm, I know you could feel it. Let it take you home. Memories of the years you would just hold back the tears. Every chance you didn't take, and you can't seem to let go. If you change your mind, and you would ever take another, follow the rising sun onto the one you love. Walk to the rhythm, I know you could feel it. Let it take you home. Someone you left behind, the days and you can't recall the time, the place that you lost somewhere along the way. So wake me, carry to the ground, you can't escape, it holds you down. And if you ever find a way somewhere someday, follow the rising sun onto the